Today, we are going to be looking at a case study using BIMrx to modify the department parameter within a room. Here we can see all the rooms in our project, and we can see that the department parameter has not yet been filled in. When I go to my schedule, I will have a column for my number, my name, my level, and my department parameters, with just a selected few of those parameters filled in with the correct values. What I want to do is use BIMrx and use the Extract tab to extract that schedule. I'll go to my schedules, which lists all the schedules in my project, and then go to the room schedule and select Export. It will prompt me to name the file and select a location to save the Excel file. This may take a few moments. Once the file has been exported, it will let me know how many elements were exported and will prompt me to open the Excel file. Here I can see the export format and the export location. I can then go to the bottom and see all the different tabs. One is the export catalog, which will show me all the parameters associated with that object or objects, the type parameters associated to those objects, and then the room schedule, which is a duplicate of the same schedule within Revit, same columns and same elements. Here, I can quickly use Excel to fill in the rest of the parameters with the correct department designation. Once I finish copying or filling in that information, I'm going to save it back to the original Excel file. I'll go back to Revit, go to BIMrx, and use the update function to update my information by selecting that Excel file and opening it. Here, it will prompt me to let me know that it was finished. It will let me know the number of elements were updated and how many errors. Here, I can see that all that information was now translated back into my Revit project successfully.